Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure mobile apps with Apple Developer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure mobile apps with Apple Developer, start by ensuring you have an Apple Developer account. Log in to your Apple Developer account using your credentials. Navigate to the App Store Connect dashboard. Select My Apps to view your existing applications. Choose the app you wish to secure or create a new one. In the App Settings, enable App Transport Security. This ensures that your app only communicates over secure connections. Next, implement code signing for your app. Generate an iOS App Development Certificate in the Apple Developer Portal. Download and install the certificate on your machine. Open Xcode and add the certificate to your project settings. Make sure to set up provisioning profiles correctly. This allows you to test your app on real devices while keeping it secure. Now, integrate the Keychain services into your app. Keychain securely stores sensitive data like passwords. Use the Keychain APIs to manage user authentication information. Next, make use of Apple's built-in security features. Implement Touch ID or Face ID for an additional layer of security. Utilize data protection APIs to encrypt sensitive user data at rest. Review app permissions to ensure only necessary access is granted. Limit access to the camera, microphone, and location services as needed. Conduct regular code audits to identify potential vulnerabilities. Consider using tools like Xcode Static Analyzer for code review. Test your app thoroughly before submitting it to the App Store. Finally, keep your app updated with the latest security patches and best practices. Once everything is in place, submit your app for review in App Store Connect. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your mobile app with Apple Developer tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.